Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make more time. Start by tracking your current activities for a few days to pinpoint where your time truly goes. Once you have a clear picture, you can begin to identify areas for improvement. Next, prioritize your tasks, focusing on what truly matters and aligns with your goals. This foundational step is crucial for building an effective time management strategy and reclaiming valuable hours in your day. To boost your efficiency, consider batching similar tasks. For example, respond to all emails at designated times instead of constantly checking your inbox. Embrace the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. This prevents small items from accumulating. Finally, try time blocking, allocating specific periods for focused work, which can significantly increase your productivity and help you achieve more. Minimizing distractions is key to making more time. Start by turning off notifications on your phone and computer that aren't absolutely essential. Create a quiet, dedicated workspace where you can concentrate without interruptions. It's also important to learn the power of saying no to requests that don't align with your goals or current priorities. Protecting your focus allows you to accomplish tasks more quickly and effectively. To sustain your progress, regularly review your schedule and adjust as needed. This flexibility ensures your time management strategy remains effective. Remember to incorporate short, regular breaks throughout your day to avoid burnout and keep your mind fresh. A 5-minute stretch or walk can make a big difference. Also, consider enhancing your environment with smart technology. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to help you create a more productive space.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.